Hey, welcome to my cycling tour YouTube channel. So today I'm standing in front of the guest house which I spent it last night. I booked a guest house yesterday. I forced to book it because I couldn't find a place to pitch my tent there or do camping for a night. But I'm in Germany now, so in most of the areas, like most of areas in Germany, they are private areas, so you have to talk with the owner if they give you permission to do your tent or camping for a night. But I asked the person yesterday, he didn't allow me, so it was a farmer, and I asked him if I can do camping for a night in somewhere in his area. He said no, so he couldn't understand English also, but anyway. So I forced to find a place for me to stay, and I was a little bit tired also. So today I am heading to south of Germany. So I will bike until 5 o'clock in the evening. Then I found a camping place there, so I hope they will allow me to stay there because I don't have corona test with me still. I did a test yesterday in a city in Germany. They told me they are gonna send me the result by email in 1 hour. But I didn't receive any answer from them. I will try to find another test center to talk with them and do another test if it's necessary. So follow me until the end. So let's see what's happening today in my way. Here is a place where I stayed last night. My bike is too dirty. Look at, oh my god. Yeah. So follow me, and please, if you want to support me, please don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube with your friends of friends. So I'll try to make more videos. In these days I don't have like a good internet, and I don't have enough battery in my mobile because I don't have a place to charge, and I had like 2 power bank, and I use one power bank for my Garmin GPS for my bicycle, and another one to charge my mobile just for use it for the internet or searching the areas. So I will try my best to make movies from like different areas for you guys. Okay, now I'm in corona test center. Yesterday I did a corona test, but I didn't receive my result. They told me they're gonna send it by email, but I didn't receive it, so now I arrived in here. So in a few minutes they will do another test, and I hope they can take the results, because like most of camping places they don't let you in if you don't have a corona test. I am finished with my test. They told me they're gonna send it by email, and I received a receipt from them also. So now I'm continuing to my way to the south of Germany. Let's see. Here is the test center. This area is really beautiful. That's really beautiful. I like the nature in here. Look it. I'm really tired, just I find this waterfall. Look, this beautiful waterfall behind me. Wow, so beautiful. Wow. I take a few minutes in here to refresh me. I have few hours for me, it's okay. I have long day in front of me. So I don't need to be stressy or just I will reach just maybe after 4 hours I will reach to my goal, to the next destination. So look at this beautiful waterfall. Wow. Wow, you have to see it. You have to see it all the time. This waterfall. Look. Wow. I need to wash my bike. Look what happened to my bike. Look it. Oh my goodness. Let's see to my Garmin GPS. Sorry. It says I biked around 24 kilometers. 24 kilometers in 2 hours. Because I bike and I stand and I see the nature, I see the areas. Like I cycling like too slowly when I go inside the cities and this beautiful nature. I don't bike faster. My aim like for all the day, I said okay, I will bike for 8 hours or 9 hours, just 80 kilometers, 9 kilometers, 90 kilometers. So I have like long day in front of me. So I do it like slowly to see the cities, and also if I see some people to talk with them. But unfortunately in Germany, as not many people, they can't speak English, so that's the problem, and that I can't communicate with them like good. But they are kind. Let's see in another countries how they are in English. It's very important that you can do like some few languages, that at least you can communicate with the people, to talk with the people. Like it becomes like few days I didn't talk to anyone, just like few people which I meet on my way and I talk with them, or sometimes when I do telephone call to my family or my friends, to talk with them by phone. If I have a good internet or if I have a good network in my mobile. But it's not all the time accessible, available to do that. So it's the only place, sorry, my YouTube platform, that I can talk with you guys and I can share my experience with you guys. So some people, they send me a message, they say that your English is so bad. I know that, but I don't want to stop talking. I will talk, even if I'm talking back. But so yeah. Okay, I think I take like 5 minutes pause in here. So I think to continue on my way if I see some other things to film it for you guys. But don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your friends. And I will try my best to make more videos from my cycling tour for you guys. Follow me until the end of the day. I did it. Oh, I crossed the Blueberry Hill and it was like around 40 kilometers high, also the elevation. So now I'm coming to the Aldi. It's like a German shop, so you can buy like a cheaper stuff from here, food or anything else. So I'm going inside to buy some food for me for tonight. So let's see where can I find a place and my next destination. So it's only 40 kilometers more. I have to bike to the south of Germany. Then I find a camping place to pitch my tent here. So I'm thinking about my bike, if I lock it or not, because I'm afraid that someone do not stole my bike. Let's see. I think I have to lock it. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. So I'll try my best to make more videos for you guys. Follow me until the end of the day. In Germany, in everywhere you have to have a mask, face mask. So sometimes they take me out from the places because I forgot to put my mask. Let's see. What is it? Who is it? Here is the entry.
Can you help me? Can I help
No,
you?
thank you. That's
Okay.
the entry here.
Okay.
I couldn't find the entry.
No problem.
Thank you. So let's see, what can I find from here? I need to buy some snacks and then something to eat for the night, because if I can find something good. Let's see. Here. Not. Look, it's my Garmin GPS, which is like bleeping, beep 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 beep. Here. Oh, like this. Like this. This is my Garmin GPS. Okay, I have to continue my shopping because at the same time I can't find something to buy for myself and also to film. So follow me, don't forget to subscribe. Peace. So finally I found a bottle of juice. It's so cheap here in Aldi, Germany. I bought this for 69 euro. So it will be like how many, like 6 or 7 kron, Swedish kron. In Sweden we buy this for maybe 30 kron or 3 years. Then I bought this black paper nuts, and it's for 39 euro, so it's like about 3 kron. So cheap things here. So I didn't find the food from here to buy, and I will check on my way if I can see any restaurant to buy something for the night. So stay with me until the end of the day. Hi, here it is. Oh, I found this little restaurant on my way. I'm super tired. I biked around 25 kilometers because to my point today is like 80 kilometers. 45 kilometers I have to bike on this hill. It's like 10 more hard. It's super hard. I have to bike it in this. I have to bike 10 more kilometers up to the hill, so I have to like this. And then after that we will see if the way will be better. But I'm super tired. So I take a break here for half an hour. Then I will continue. Here's my bike. Okay, I will end up my days in here in the camping place. So I biked around 71 kilometers today, and it was a really high hill on my way, so it was super hard. It was around like 1100 height, the elevation. So sometimes my English or the Swedish will be mixed up. I hope you guys understand me. Yeah, so now I have to dry my tent here because last time it was rainy and just I packed up everything and put them in the bags. So now before I use them I have to dry. So maybe I will leave them for 1 hour so it will be dry. Then I will put my tent in here in these areas. But the good thing is like it's the first camping place which I have my tent near to the electricity that I can charge my, look here, that I can charge my mobile and Garmin GPS. This is luxury. Luxury tent place actually. So don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. And tomorrow I will try to make make more videos from my next tour. So have a good day. Bye bye and peace.